Today we have this video. Here we have a problem with Infinix Hot 40i and Smart 8. This problem is commonly in Tecno and also in Infinix, as Samsung as such. So today we have this phone, we have this model. Its problem is with the battery error. So when you are trying to charge, it brings a message, and now it is time to solve. So please watch this video, don't skip, and subscribe to my channel. Now here, if you want to if you are a mechanic, you are a technician, phone technician, you want to solve this problem, here it comes. You have to be with a meter, a multimeter, which is good. Here we have DT9205A, that is our meter, and we measure our power. We first measure the voltage of the battery. If the voltage is okay, then we see what next. So after measuring, remember to measure the voltage, you have to insert in the charger into the phone, disconnect the battery connector so that you start to measure. As you see, we are looking for 2.5 voltage in that area near network connection. So as we are looking for it, remember to work on phones, or to work in particular parts of phones which are tiny. Sometimes you will need a microscope so that you can magnify the components which are tiny. And now I'm not using that gadget, but I focus on what I'm doing. So there I'm looking for voltage. You see, now we have 1.8. 1.8 can work, but we are looking for 2.5, 2.9, so that we jump the wire from battery ID or thermal terminal from the battery connector on our board to where we find 2.5 voltage around. Remember, around our power eyes, we also have 2.5 on some dead coils around, but we have decided to remove the metallic covers which were hiding the components or network components, network ICE and some other components around our main network ICE. What is our main network ICE? Main network ICE is that ICE that gives us GSM and some HSPA. So we measure that side to look for 2.5 voltage. That if you see if you get a phone missing with error connected, remove a charger. It means that phone missing 2.5 voltage on thermal terminal. A thermal terminal is there where we have battery ID, and the battery ID is for percentage and information. Then our thermal is for temperature, battery temperature, and system while charging the temperature. So this is, we jumper the wire, that is where I think you can see it is tiny. That is where we find our 2.5 voltage. We put a jumper wire from there, from that edge. Yes, from that edge. Now we are putting back our battery connector. We are putting back the battery connector. And now it is indicating, showing that it is charging 4%. But its problem was error charging, remove a charger. This problem persists, is commonly in Tecno phones and Itel phones, Tecno phones, Samsung, even in all, I can't even identify, but all phones have this problem. But in Tecno, Infinix Hot 40i, that is how we can solve it. And also in the Tecno Smart 8, it is the same way. That is X65 to 8. So thanks for watching, but remember to share the video. Remember to like the video. Remember to comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that I give you more. And I have decided to record this video in my voice, because last video